Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Charger, and in this video I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case you are having issues with the fuel pump. This video will apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. Now, two fuses and the relay will be located in a fuse box in the trunk area, and one fuse will be located in a fuse box in the engine compartment. Fuse box in the trunk area is located just next to the spare tire and the battery. So first you want to remove the cover that's on top of the spare tire, and then your fuse box will be right here. To remove this cover, you want to press onto this clip on the left side and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. Okay, the first and main fuse you want to check is fuse number 21, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for the power to the fuel pump, and this is the fuse right here, so you can't miss it. And the next fuse worth checking is fuse number 23, which is a 10 amp small fuse located right here. So second from the left, it's a 10 amp rand fuse. That's actually the fuse responsible for the power to fuel door, so it's not directly connected to the fuel pump, but I like checking anything that's connected with the fuel, so make sure if you're checking the fuses, check both of these. The relay for the fuel pump is located just down here in the corner, so this is your fuel pump relay. And now I will still show you one fuse in the engine compartment. Okay, the fuse box in the engine compartment is located right here. To leave the cover, there is two clips, one here, one here. You want to press at those at the same time and leave the cover straight up. Okay, and here you want to check only one fuse. It's fuse number 39. It's a 10 amp fuse right here. So the first one on the right side. Okay, so this is the one. And this is the fuse responsible for the power to the fuel pump relay. So if you test the relay in the back and it's not working, make sure to first check this fuse and then replace the relay, because this fuse will give power to that relay in the trunk. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.